Welcome, Dan. It's a pleasure having you on our program.
Glad to be here.
We always appreciate it when patients take time in their busy lives to come down and share some of their experiences with us. And on that note, I'd like to begin, if I may, Dan, by asking you if you can please tell us what problem or problems were you experiencing that brought you to Dr. Grande and Grande Dental Care?
I had an infection in one of my bottom teeth, and came in, had it looked at.
So then what happened after that?
It was an old root canal that I had had many years ago where the tooth was rotting from the inside out. So what we needed to do is we needed to pull that tooth and then put 2 implants in.
So can you please tell us about the process that you went through regarding having the implants put in?
It's about a year-long process. I think there was 3 or 4 visits involved. The first visit they actually pulled the tooth out and then come back about 3 weeks later once it's healed, and then they put some kind of filler in to fill the hole. Then that takes about 4 months for that to grow. Once that's grown and becomes solid, they go ahead and put in, it's almost they drill and put like a helicoil into your tooth. Oh. Okay, then once that heals, that takes about another 4 to 5 months to heal. And then what they do is they actually take the tooth and screw it straight down into your mouth, so they sit right next to each other. And he has some device where he measures it all out and gets it exact. And then I also had porcelain teeth put in.
Oh, veneers.
Exactly. So while we were going through that year-long process of waiting for the implants to get done, we did the veneers.
Oh, very nice. And how do you like the results, Dan?
I love them. It was great. It's and my wife loves it. It's really good.
And lastly, before I let you go, Dan, for all the folks out there watching, what would you tell them about your experience not only with Dr. Grande, but his staff here at Grande Dental Care?
Oh, excellent. Excellent. It's painless. Everything I did with all the procedures I had done was 100% painless. Comfort factor walking in the door. It's a family business. I feel like I'm going to a family business.
Oh, that's wonderful. And on that note, I'd like to thank you, Dan, for joining us, sharing some of your experiences, and being a guest on our program.
You're welcome.